here we go. This is my spring prep. As you may have seen in my last video, I took the black wire off the lithium battery. Now I'm just gonna simply put the screw back in, put it back in, and hopefully this bad boy will start up. We'll check it out in a second. All right guys, just reconnected that battery and gonna turn on the first time this spring, April 2018. Started right up. Put my finger on the start button. That's it. Started up real nice. I'm gonna let it run for a couple minutes. I'm gonna clean it up, polish it, and then take it for a quick little ride. I gotta clean out the shed, but pretty happy that started right back up. Whoever I read that trick from about the lithium batteries online, I appreciate it. That worked out well. Didn't need to use a trickle charger at all. So I'm gonna get my ramp, get this thing out of here. If you guys haven't already, feel free to subscribe, give it a like. Plenty more Grom videos coming out this year.